How to fix the problem where our swipe reply option is not working on the Instagram app. So welcome back to another app tutorial video, guys. I'm going to show you a couple of solutions on how you can fix the problem where you don't see the swipe reply option in swipe in the messages, or it's simply not working and you cannot reply to specific messages. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss any steps. And before we start with the tutorial, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. In the future, it will really help out. First of all, I am going to show you what is the issue is. If I open the Instagram app on my phone and open my conversation in my messages right here. If I want to reply to this message, I can simply type anything, but if you want to reply to a specific message in chat, you can long press the reply option to reply to that specific message. The other thing that you can do is to swipe right on a specific message and you will be able to reply to it. But if this option is not working for, or if it's not showing at all, then the very first thing that you need to do is to check if you are using the vanish mode inside the messages mode. Vanish mode is an Instagram feature where the messages disappear right after you view them, but the reply option does not work in the vanish mode. I don't have the vanish mode on my specific account, but you can swipe up to enable the vanish mode, and also swipe up to disable it. It will say on the top of the screen that the vanish mode is enabled, so disable vanish mode if you are using it. If you want to access the reply feature, if you don't see the reply option even after you disable the vanish mode, then you have to check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app. So go to the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. You have to make sure that the app is up to date. If it say update right here, it means that you don't have the latest version of Instagram. So click on that button and wait a couple of minutes until the app should be updated, where you will be sure that you have all of the latest features and functions. After you do these steps, then open Instagram and check if you have the reply feature. But if that also did not work, when I suggest offloading the app and clear the cache of the app. So open the setting on your device and scroll down to the general section. After that, click on the phone storage and this will open a list of all the apps you have installed on your devices. So find Instagram and open it and scroll down and click on the clear cache button right here. What this will do, it will clear the cache of your Instagram app and remove unnecessary data that Instagram may have on your device. Or after clear cache, click on the reinstall button and wait a couple of minutes until Instagram reinstalls on your device. This will give the app fresh new install and it will clear all of the data that may cause the problem where you did not have the reply feature. But if that also did not work, there is an Instagram help. One more solution to this problem. So what you want to do is open the Instagram app and then go to your chat. You need to take a screenshot of your problem and we will need the screenshot for later. Now go to your Instagram profile and tap on the three lines at the top of right corner. Now go to the settings, then we need to open the help section right here and then report a problem report without shaking. And now you simply need to write a message to the Instagram team where you will explain your problem. Tell them that your reply option is not working and you cannot reply to specific messages on Instagram. Kindly ask them to resolve your issue as soon as possible. And of course upload the screenshot that you took so that they can see what kind of problem you have, and simply send the report by clicking here. In a day or 2 days, Now they will reply within a day or 2 days, and then we'll resolve your problem. So those are a couple of solutions on how you can fix the reply option on Instagram. Leave a comment down below and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching and see you later.